Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use voice mode in Grok. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser on desktop or mobile and go to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and press enter. From the results, click on the official Grok website to access the platform. Once the homepage loads, examine the interface and locate the voice icon, which usually looks like a sound meter. Click on this icon to activate voice mode. This enables voice recognition and allows you to interact using spoken commands. After activation, start speaking clearly into your device. For example, you can ask, "What's trending right now?" Speak at a steady pace and normal volume to improve accuracy. Grok can recognize commands even in moderate background noise. Once you finish speaking, wait a moment for Grok to process your request. The system will analyze your query and provide a response based on your input. You can continue using voice commands to explore information quickly and efficiently. So that's basically how you can use voice mode in Grok. That's it for this video. Thanks.